What's up? So today's video I'll be showing you how to make color changing videos. So once again, please give this, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So to make a color changing videos, you first have to film your video, your Musical.ly, and save it as a draft or as a private, or you can save it to your camera roll or screen record it. All you have to do is make sure that it's in your camera roll, and once you've done that, you need to go into the app Video Star. Once you've done that, click the plus in the top right hand corner and go into videos and click the video you made from Musical.ly and save it to your camera roll. Rotate the video and so it fills the page, and then press make video in the top right hand corner. When it finishes processing, click on Edit at the bottom of the screen, and then click the third one up, which is Split Screen. Then move the pink circle to the part of the video where you want it to change colour, and then press Split in the bottom right hand corner. So again, press Edit at the bottom of the screen, then go to the third one up, which is Split Screen, then move the pink circle up to the part of the video where you want it to change colour and press Split at the bottom right hand corner. Then after you've done that, press New at the bottom of the screen and press the first one on the right, which is Re-Effect Clip. Then press the plus sign in the bottom right hand corner and make sure you click on the paintbrush. Then scroll until you find the effect called monochrome, and it should have a little circle with a little circle arrow thing. When you click on this, it will change the colour of your video, just that little bit that you selected, and it will change colour automatically. Then press the arrow and press Quick Fix. You can re-watch your video if you want, or you can just press the X in the top right hand corner and upload it straight to TikTok from the app Video Star, or you can save it to your camera roll. Thanks guys for watching my video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want more videos like this. I hope you found my video helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!